David, you and I, look, we've all been around a long time. Let's say who's ringing the bell. Henry Schein, you introduced me to them. Now, that's a company that makes a consistent medical supply company. It should not be hit. Endeavor, now, I don't know about you, David, but, Ari Emanuel has not yet texted me or called me. But it's only 9:30, and I think he can't call me while he's still up there. But, I'm just saying, well, there are a lot of companies that are doing quite well that are being thrown away right now. You should just pick your spots. I'm not saying buy everything. I am saying that Amazon has now given up about half the gain. And isn't that what you're supposed to buy when it comes to profit taking coming down? So, David, I don't think I'm the one who is saying absurd things. I think the futures market is saying absurd things.
And you've made that very clear. You've made that very clear over the last 30 minutes. Well, you're going to have an opportunity, though, if you want to buy, Jim, to do so
every second of us.
At roughly 2% less than you would have paid yesterday, with the NASDAQ down actually 2.75% right now. Of course, we've talked about that 2-year hitting heights we haven't seen. Carl, I'll leave it to you to tell me the last time we saw the 2-year at 3.74.
3.7, you got to go back to, it's pretty much 07.
Yeah.
And then the 10-year earlier this morning, 3.4 would take you back to June. Remember, we did hit 3.48 this summer.
Right.
But wouldn't you sell that chart? That's a spike. That's a spike. How can you not want to buy 3.75 if he's going to raise 0.75? Is there any chance that this is an opportunity to buy these notes? Why does it have to be an opportunity to sell them? Because I've got to tell you, that's a parabolic move. And I sell parabolic moves, whether they're in stocks or in treasuries.
That's a good point. And it has been. The question is, what are the reverberations from that move going to be in the broader economy? What's it going to mean to mortgage rates? Obviously, you're not pegging up the 2-year typically, but, Jim, housing is obviously a very important part of this economy. You've talked a lot about it. Diana Olick talking earlier about rentals. Yes, sorry.
Well, but isn't that what we're actually hoping for? Is a decline in those things? That's what we want 0.75. We want a decline in those things. They're certainly not recessionary. We're going to have a slowdown, no doubt about it. So pick your spots about what is really hurt by this and sell, and think about what to buy that's not hurt by this. And yes, am I a broken 45, maybe even LP? Okay, well, I can't change my mind within, it's 6:33 here. It's 9:33. And I just look at Apple on the 14 launch, and I can't get one. I got this phone I had to buy because I lost my phone. And it's like, wow, I guess I shouldn't buy the 14 because the consumer price index ran a little hot. Carl, it's a little counterintuitive to think that an average American is going to use Prime less. Now, it's entirely possible. You could say Amazon's now overvalued because the price-to-earnings ratio should go lower. But, Carl, isn't that what's been happening since November? How many times can we sell these things?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.